In 3, 2, 1. What's up, Curtis? My name is Salamat and this is my little brother. Welcome back to my channel. And for today's vlog, we're gonna unbox a parcel from shopeekkmall. Yay! So this is already sanitized, and this is from my friend. This is very useful to my photography. And without further ado, let's get we're gonna open the box. So
Before that, this is my bag that I bought last 2019, May 2019. So this is my old bag, a shoulder bag with portable inside. So this has been useful to me 1 year and 4 months. So that's the inside of this bag, and it turned out and vanished here. But it is very useful to me during photo shoot. So
this is a great help to my photography journey.
I'm so excited to open this one.
So guys, I didn't open it yet. I'm so excited to open this parcel, and my brother too. And let's open this one using this cutter. So excited! Oh my gosh! The color of this bag is black. So let's open. Oh my gosh! Today! Open this one. So it's safe too. There's a protective plastic, and let's open this one. Woo! Ta-da! Ta-da! Wow! The design of this bag is amazing. It's very minimalistic and chic. Wow! Oops!
wow!
Wow! So let's try. Oh, the design is very shiny and very sleek. And so, Curtis, I'm gonna show you the bag of inside and outside of compartment. I bought it in shopeekkmall.ph on Shopee application with 1,789. I have less on the delivery, and let's get started. So here you can put a lock. So there's 2 zipper. So in this side you can put the tripod with the safety lock, and also this one to hold the tripod. And then the compartment here is the laptop or the notebook. You can put it here. So very foam. The foam is very hard. And also the back, the shoulder bag is very thick. And also here. And there is also a secret compartment here. You can put anything, wallet, ID, and also the water resistant of this bag. Although this is water resistant already, they have this water resistant cover. So it's amazing. It's affordable and very useful when traveling to the mountains or anywhere in the city. So you can put the water resistant bag in the secret compartment here. So you can put the water resistant here. And then on this side you can put the charger cable or power bank cable. Here you can put a wallet or a phone, and here you can put the water. It's important whenever having an event. So, and then we're gonna do here. We're gonna open this one, but before there's a release or the lock of this bag. It's amazing. The design is very sleek and very beautiful. So who's excited for watching the inside? I'm excited. Yeah, I opened this one already. So let's get open this one. So there is a lot of compartment. You can put a camera here, a flash, or batteries or another lens, wires or the charger. You can put anything here. Customize it whatever you like. So the foam here is very thick, very amazing quality. And this one, another compartment of this bag is we have here another. There's two, one and two, although this is one side of the zipper. You can put here wirings or anything. So very safe, very affordable, and amazing bag. So I like this one. I really like this one. So this is my first camera backpack. It's water resistant, anti-theft. If you are a photographer, actually this is the one of the accessories you must have in backpack. And whenever you are going to the events, it's amazing to have this one. Let's try the bag. Put it to my shoulder.
It's very comfortable to use, although this is big for me, but this is okay. This is very much appreciated, and this is my first backpack camera that I ever owned. So that's it. It's very
Comfortable with the foam here and the foam in the back. So yeah, it's good quality, you know. Very like this bag. So camera. So let's gonna open this part up. Okay. Let's open this one. This is very useful whenever you're walking on the street. It will camouflage you and people will not notice you if you're using this one with your camera in your neck or in your shoulders. So this is very useful, and the same seller, the shopeekkmall.ph. So this is one. So this is a lens case, neoprene camera case. So let's open this one. Ta-da! So it's kind of show you how I use it to my camera. So artists, if you are interested of capturing in the street or going outside, you must have this neoprene camera case, and it is for safety, and people will not notice you if you are using this new I bought in Shopee for only 169. So buy this one. It is very useful in the street. So that's it, Carties. I hope you like this video. Like and share to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell button below to update you to my newest video. So thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!